Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you a Valentine's Duo from NCLA. We have here a sheer nail polish and a topper with glitter hearts. If you are interested to see how they perform, then please keep on watching. So first we have Rose Sheer or Rose Sheer, whenever you want to read that. And it is, as the name says, a sheer rosy shade. It is pretty streaky in general. I like to use it with 1 or 3 coats. I feel like this is how it looks the best. With 3 coats, as you can see, the streaks go away and it covers evenly, but still you can see a bit of the nail showing through. I like sheer polishes because you can do so much with them. You can use it as a base for minimal nail art, you can use it on their own when you want something very delicate on your nails, or simply you can use it, for example, for marble nail art. It is great for that. Next we have Heart Attack, and this is a clear topper with big light pink and red hearts. So with this one, I honestly wouldn't do more than 1 coat, although on the packaging they advise to use more, like 2 to 3. I feel like with 1 coat, if you fish well, you can take out 2 hearts, which is enough for me for 1 nail. Also, I feel like the glitters are too big to have a lot of them on 1 nail. I just don't like the look of it. I feel it is like a bit bulky. I prefer more minimal look with 1 or 2 hearts. Also, if you want to place the hearts in a specific place, I suggest to put a bit of the stopper on like nail art mat and then place these hearts with a toothpick or orange wood stick. It works well. So this is how they look like. I really enjoyed this duo, although I feel like it's not for a lot of people, probably not for everyone, because not everyone is a fan of sheer nail polish and hearts. But I do feel like it is a nice duo to get a fast and cute Valentine's Day manicure. So if you are that kind of person, if you like sheer polishes and if you like something more on your nails, then I think that it is a nice thing to have in your collection. I hope you liked that video and it was helpful in some way. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. And thanks for watching. Bye!